Hi guys, welcome to the video. This one's a quick one on the PC to show you the other changes that need to be made to your YouTube channel. So as part of setting up my studio video I'm basically getting my YouTube channel up and running now and getting some videos up and loaded. You can see it has been about 5 years since I last upgraded my channel. This is mainly shows that I've covered and attended and a few music events from back in the day. So right now I'm working on getting a new art setup, nothing too fancy. It may evolve with time, but for now I'll give you an overview. If I get rid of that and open up a blank canvas, it tends to be a certain size. I've had a look online, I think it's 2560 pixels by 1440. So I do that and get that blank one up there. So there we go. Let's try in there. And with this, what we'll need is a little bit of a background picture. So I've looked around to see what would be the best thing. I have set up a sample of what the end goal would look like. So I show you the background I chose to use. It's basically a photo I did a while ago, and it's Christmas lights blurred out, so they were quite a distance away. I used my Canon 1.4, focused on something close, and it's got that little bit of blur there, which looks quite nice. So for now I'll use that, center that in the background, and then we'll start putting on some text. So if I go the main logo there, so if I use that and center that, that's just the name of the channel, Zulf Photography, and I've chose to use Cobalt text, regular 140 sizing, and that's just in the middle at the moment, which looks about right. And then I'm going to add some, I don't know, headers at all. So I wasn't sure what to add, but I've just put something like I talk about photography and stuff as the title. Select that, center it. There we go, and just bring it down a bit maybe. Center that again. Deselect, select all, center, and then maybe below that, so something like what my title is for now. I'm thinking I'll make it more fun later on, but for now I'm just keeping it formal. So published photographer with multiple photos in multiple magazines and digital content creator. That's a fancy title for YouTube video guy, I think. So I centered that and drag that down a bit about there. That looks about okay. I think I'm keeping it white, and if I chuck a few social logos in there, so let's do that. Social, and okay, deselect, bring them about here maybe, and see how this looks on the. So if I do file save as and save that, now let's save that as just something like, oh no, not on the CD drive. Save that on there and call it YouTube cover. YouTube cover. Let's try in a PNG and then I'll try a JPEG. PNG, save. Okay, and let's see if I can do this while we're live. So if I do that channel art there, select photo from computer, bring that over here, and then search for the what I just created, which is the overlay. I didn't click create. I did. So it's the channel art, YouTube cover. Okay, so YouTube cover took a little while to save. I think that's what it was. It's uploading that now. Let's see how it looks. Not bad. Select. Let's see what that looks like. Saving, doing. And I'm going to update that. I just got